In this video, we're going to look at using coordinating conjunctions to create compound sentences. In order to create compound sentences, we need to have at least two main clauses and a coordinating conjunction. A main or independent clause is a group of words containing a verb and a subject that carries out the verb. It makes sense on its own as a sentence and expresses a complete thought. For example, the bird played the drums. The children listened to music. Conjunction is a word that links two or more words, phrases, or clauses together to create a compound sentence. Coordinating conjunctions give equal importance to the words, phrases, or clauses that they connect. We can remember coordinating conjunctions by using the acronym FANBOYS. This shows us that the 7 coordinating conjunctions are for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Let's have a look at some examples. Suki likes ham on her pizza, but she hates pineapple. Cooper plays football every week and he has trumpet lessons. Motzi had an invitation to a fancy dress party, so she wore a fairy costume. You can see in these sentences that the coordinating conjunction joins two main clauses of equal importance. Let's have a look at the first question. Circle the coordinating conjunction that has been used in this compound sentence. Sylvia wore gloves, yet her hands were still cold. A coordinating conjunction in a compound sentence is used to link at least two main clauses. Use the acronym FANBOYS to help you remember the coordinating conjunctions. Well done if you spotted how the coordinating conjunction yet has been used to link the different clauses. The first main clause was Sylvia wore gloves. The second main clause is her hands were still cold. Well done if you got that one correct. In this question, you are being asked to tick the coordinating conjunction in the sentence below. Stefan was meant to go to his friend's house, but he was very tired because he went to bed late. Pause the video and press play when you're ready to check your answer. How did you get on? Did you use FANBOYS to help you? Only 2 of the options here were conjunctions, but and because. However, only one of them is a coordinating conjunction. The answer is but. Here you can see that the coordinating conjunction but has been used to link two main clauses. Because is a subordinating conjunction and has been used to start a subordinate clause. For our final question, you are being asked to write an appropriate coordinating conjunction to join the clauses below. Remember to punctuate your answer correctly. You may wish to write your answer down on a whiteboard or piece of paper, or you may just wish to answer out loud. Pause the video here, and when you're ready, unpause the video to check your answer. In order to answer this question, we need to think about the acronym FANBOYS. It's important that we choose an appropriate coordinating conjunction. For example, the coordinating conjunction nor wouldn't work here because it doesn't make sense. It may help to say your answer out loud to check if the conjunction links to the clause as well. The correct answer was and. As the coordinating conjunction is being used to link the two main clauses, the full stop and capital letter have been removed. The two independent clauses have been joined to form one sentence. Well done.